Respected District Governor Amita Mahendru, Anil Mahendru ji, people on the dais, immediate past President Ashish Mathur, Dinesh Mehra ji, and Ritika who's been there, and my co-person who's going to be my right hand and left hand, Sanjay Rajoria ji. People in the audience, Rupak ji, who has, and Abha ji, who have been the pillar for the, not only have they been the charter president, but they have also been the pillar of this whole club. And the day they decided to make me the president, you know, the guidance that I have been receiving, and I have been literally following it to the T. So they don't get a student who is as, so you know, every single thing that they say, I take it as gospel. I just go about and do that, absolutely. So many district people are here, district governor, past district governor Lalit Khanna ji, Deepa Gupta ji, Reena Gupta, and the district people that I have been now, Asha Walia ji, Grover ji, treasurer, I am still going to take some Gaurav Bhargav, Gaurav Jaggi, and many more people I would like to name, but I think my speech will get over if I just start naming. So before even I start, I want to gratefully acknowledge the presence of all my fellow Rotarians and the kind of love, respect, and regard that I have been receiving from each one of them is actually mind-blowing. Amita had told me this is going to be the only year, and live this day by day, minute by minute, moment by moment. And I am trying to do exactly that. I'm actually falling in love. You know what is love? It is when every cell of your body is electrified, magnetized. It runs chaos. This is what is happening. You know, I trained as a cancer surgeon from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And there I learned the cells were Auri. They could multiply, they could travel, they could become, they could just live anywhere. And this is what my thoughts are, just Auri. And then I decided to be an IVF specialist, where a single female cell, and that's called the egg, and a single male cell called the sperm. And if I could unite them and create something so beautiful like a human being, then why can't we garner, why can't we channel our thoughts and control them and produce something beautiful? So there my chaotic thoughts, I said, calm down. Just put them into action, into service, into whatever vision that you take, you know, build them. And Amita also taught me another thing, is when courage and compassion, the two things, they go together. And if you decide to do anything, and anything meant anything, it is then, you know, I was sitting in the district conference, and I remember our past district governor, Ramesh ji, speaking on the projects. And there I was, okay, I want to do something big this time. So he named all the things that we could, and I picked up the breast milk bank. And I said, since this is my topic, this is something what interests me, this is what I can do. But when I started going about it, I said, oh my God, crores of rupees, how will I manage? And I was just going to about chicken out. And then from nowhere, or from, I mean, for me it is nowhere, Anilji. So from nowhere, this Delhi Achievers Club. Is anybody here from Delhi Achievers right now? No, so anyway, so from, you know, Delhi Achievers came up and they said, we are there, we'll give you 50 lakhs. Oh my God. I said, ye kya? So iska matlab, you know, this is what I thought. That means kuch bhi soch lo, agar aapke baat mein dam hai, agar there is authenticity in your project, there is not going to be any dearth of money. And I also learned to be with a begging bowl. You know, meko badi sharam aati thi paise maangne mein. And then Amita told me, Are, and then like with a begging bowl, I said, aapke paas CSR hai? Aapke paas CSR hai? Aapke paas CSR kitna hai? Will you please give on? Will you please give on? And such baat hai ki sharam bilkul nahi aayi, kyunki we know ब्रेस्ट मिल्क की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. आपको मैं बताऊं, जब मैं स्वामी दयानंद हॉस्पिटल, which is a government hospital, and why I wanted to do it in South Delhi, but South Delhi has got so many मिल्क बैंक्स. मतलब एक सफदरजंग में है, एक एम्स में है, एक फोर्टिस लफाम में भी है. तो फिर मैंने देखा कि ईस्ट दिल्ली जो 1/3 ऑफ दिल्ली है, वहाँ पे एक भी मिल्क बैंक नहीं था. And then when I went there, 1.5 liter of breast milk was thrown. और मैंने बोला ये क्या, एक एक बूंद. You know, all of us have been mothers, we know breast milk की importance and क्या होता है. तो 1.5 liter दूध उस दिन फेंक रहे थे. Why? Because they didn't have a pasteurizer and they couldn't, you know, blood की तरह milk भी, it has, ऐसे नहीं कि डायरेक्ट हमने एक दूसरे को दे दिया. It has to be tested, it has to be, so same way it has to be pasteurized, it has to be frozen, it has to be tested. Only then can you give to the other babies. And there were so many babies, preterm, small for date, जो ventilator पे हैं, उनको तो powder milk नहीं चाहिए, breast milk चाहिए. So this is where the idea, you know, actually took roots. And since maternal and child health is one of the key areas of Rotary, so it also resounded with that. And so this is one project where Delhi City has undertaken, and I'm sure I'll have a lot of hands from here who will help me in completing the promise that I have given to Amita and to the whole district. Now, कीर्तिनगर का प्रोजेक्ट तो हमारा चल ही रहा है. वी नो, यू नो, वहाँ पे सिंगर मशीन और कंप्यूटर्स वगैरह सिखा रहे हैं. बट कल जो मैंने देखा, जो AI enabled tablet, AI enabled glasses which were given to the blind and changing their life. And मेरे को लगा था बहुत लाखों रुपए का ग्लास है, you know, how will we. Then Anil ji explained, you know, कि ये per person अगर with CSR grant and the money that they are all putting in, खाली 12,500 के आसपास एक ग्लास है, which is going to change the life of a blind person. I think, and इस साल में आप देखोगे कि मेरी बहुत सारी talks, experiences are going to be on autism, on blindness, on, and you, I'm sure by the end of this year, are, you know, I do want the empathy and compassion that's required to deal with all specially abled people to come on. Also, इस साल हम लोगों ने सोचा we should go global, and जैसा बताया गया, you know, Sita Maiya ka temple, and I would like all of you, whenever you get a chance to visit Sri Lanka, please go and visit the temple, because वहाँ पे Rotary Club of Delhi City का नाम बड़ा बड़ा लिखा गया है. And श्री राम के जन्म स्थान पर जहाँ पे आज हम श्री राम को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम सो सीता मैया इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी, यू नो, इट्स गोइंग टू बी समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और इस बार तो रितिका ने दिखाया भी कि लास्ट टाइम खुद प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ श्रीलंका ने इनॉग्रेट करा है वो प्रोजेक्ट, एंड इस बार तो मोदी जी गए थे और मोदी जी ने स्टैंप लगा दी उस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर. तो जो रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली सिटी ने शुरू करा, तो सोच सकते हैं आप हाउ इट इज़ गोइंग. 2 प्रोजेक्ट और हैं. एक लाइब्रेरी बनाना चाह रहे हैं हम हर कंट्री में, एंड उसकी कीमत करीब 1.5 से 2 लाख आएगी. हार्ड कवर पे आपका नाम लिखा जाएगा, रोटरी क्लब का नाम लिखा जाए. जस्ट इमेजिन द पब्लिक इमेज विच इज़ गोइंग टू गेट क्रिएटेड once we have Rotary Club of whatever, not only Delhi City, whichever club donates the books. And एक और है जो रितिका के भी बहुत करीब है, because that's a flex sheet telling what has India done. So एक 10x5 की बड़ी सी फ्लेक्स क्रिएट जाएगी, हर स्कूल में लगी जाएगी. अगेन उसमें रोटरी क्लब का नाम. सो यू सी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. काफ़ी लोग रोटरी को जानते हैं पर काफ़ी लोग नहीं भी जानते हैं. So I think it is time that we improve the public image and make it all go global. So this is all about, you know, the service projects that we are doing, and you know, our club has become from 70 plus to 30. So you can imagine the kind of people we have are from 30 years to 70 years. So we are a young 45, 50. So welcome all young members who are here and who are making us feel very young. And this is the kind of energy that we all are looking to get from all of you. Membership is another big drive from Rotary, and I would like to give all full marks to my immediate past president, Ashish Mathur, for introducing so many members. Thank you, Ashish, so much for that. For really adding so many people, and I'm sure we also already have about 10-12 names to be added this year. Some of the members are here. We'll be introducing them as we go by. So आप क्या कहते हैं, इतना सब कुछ कर रहा है दिल्ली सिटी, हाउ डज इट फील, हाउ डज इट, यू नो, वी नो रोटरी में हम ये नहीं बोलते मेरे लिए क्या है, इसमें हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम आपके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लब्स आर नॉट बिल्ड इन बोर्ड रूम्स, दे आर बिल्ड इन कम्युनिटीज, इन द फील्ड्स, इन द clinics, in the classrooms, and most importantly in the hearts of people, with humility, with flexibility, with love. My dear Rotarians, I